Changing out a 2001 GMC Safari van. Alright, we bought the 9005, but that was the wrong one. This has a high beam and a low beam, two separate lights. Okay, so we went back and got the 9006. Okay, here, I'll hold that. What you do is, first of all, come in the back here, and you're going to put your hand in the hole here, the far hole, and turn. Here, hold that. Turn it. Counterclockwise. Okay, and here it is. Let's see that one. Make sure it's the same one. Looks good. Looks good. The tab right there, you want to hold that back. Right there. Kind of push it down and wiggle it out. Okay. Looks good. Pop it on there. Perfect. Put it back in the hole and just reverse what you just did. Okay. If you're looking at it, you want to go counterclockwise if you're looking at the light. Okay. Alright. We're just going to turn the lights on. Put your lights on. Let's double check.